Good medical morning. Today, we are going to look at cystic acne. When you're a teenager, it's not unusual to have a pimple or two. But if you have large, red, and painful breakouts deep in your skin, it could mean you've developed something called cystic acne. These breakouts can be treated. Don't try to wait them out. Cystic acne can linger for years. It can affect large areas of your skin and leave permanent scars. A dermatologist can help you with a treatment plan. You get a pimple when a pore in your skin gets clogged, usually with dead skin cells. Sometimes bacteria gets trapped inside the pore too, causing the area to become red and swollen. Cystic acne happens when this infection goes deep into your skin, creating a red, tender bump that's full of pus. It may hurt or itch. If a cyst bursts, the infection can spread, causing more breakouts. What causes it? No one is sure of the exact cause, but hormones called androgens play a part. When you're a teenager, androgens increase. This leads to changes in your skin that can result in clogged pores and acne. In women, hormone changes can be brought on by menstrual cycles, pregnancy, menopause, or a condition called polycystic ovary syndrome. If one of your parents had severe cystic acne, you have a greater chance of getting it. Various medications, like antibiotics, can help treat it. Doctors advise that you don't touch the cysts or pick at these blemishes. You may push the infections deeper and make it spread. If you do need to work on blemishes, we recommend pimple popper tools. They're the best way to fight acne and pimples.